When it comes to managing refunds in Housecall Pro, you want a process that's quick, efficient, and as seamless as possible. Whether you're dealing with customer complaints, cancellations, or simply processing a refund, Housecall Pro makes it easy to handle refunds directly from your dashboard. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to handle refunds in Housecall Pro and give you the key details you need to navigate the process smoothly. Let's dive right into it. First, log into your Housecall Pro account. Once you're in, head over to the Payments section from your main dashboard. You'll see a list of recent transactions. This is where you'll find any completed jobs and invoices, including those that may require a refund. To initiate a refund, click on the specific invoice or job where you need to process the return. You'll then see an option to refund payment. Click on this button to start the refund process. Housecall Pro offers the ability to process refunds in several ways. You can either issue a full refund or a partial refund depending on your situation. For example, if you only need to refund a part of the payment, you can input the amount you'd like to refund. It's as simple as entering the amount and clicking Confirm. Next, you'll have the option to choose the method of refund. Refunds can be issued to the original payment method, which is typically the quickest and most straightforward way. If for some reason you need to issue the refund through a different method, you'll also have those options available. Now, Housecall Pro gives you a detailed history of all refunds, so you can always keep track of any refund actions. If you need to make adjustments later on, you can go back and view past transactions and ensure everything is correct. But there's more to it than just issuing refunds. Housecall Pro gives you the ability to track all your customer interactions and ensure that everything is handled professionally. By using the integrated communication tools, you can easily reach out to your customers and discuss any issues or updates about their refund. This ensures that your business maintains great relationships even when things don't go as planned. As you handle refunds, it's important to stay on top of your accounting. Housecall Pro's reporting tools are powerful, providing insights into your refund history, payments, and more. These tools are designed to give you a clear view of your finances so you can make informed decisions and avoid unnecessary errors. The refund process in Housecall Pro is quick and simple, but keep in mind that it's always a good idea to review your refund policies before issuing any returns. Make sure you're clear with customers on your terms to avoid misunderstandings later down the line. If you're new to Housecall Pro and looking for a way to easily manage your business operations, I have great news for you. You can start using Housecall Pro for completely free with our exclusive link below. Plus, you'll receive extended access to features that will help streamline your workflow and boost your customer satisfaction. So now that you've seen just how easy it is to handle refunds in Housecall Pro, don't forget to check the link in the description to claim your free trial and explore all the amazing features this software offers. Whether you're managing jobs, scheduling, or payments, Housecall Pro is designed to help you grow your business efficiently and with ease. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that link for your exclusive trial access.